Jake, I don't feel so good. Are you okay?
How did this happen?
I made a big mistake.
Ethan, breakfast is ready.
Thanks, Mom. These pancakes smell amazing.
I'm glad you like them.
Come on, Mom. Good food is hard to resist.
Eating too much can make you sick.
Don't worry. I'll be fine. Wow! The fall festival looks awesome this year! Look at all those food stands! You guys go ahead. I'm heading straight to the food booths. How already? Didn't you already eat breakfast? Huh? So what? We only get a festival like this once a year. Ethan, maybe you should slow down. Yeah, that's a lot of food. Relax, I can handle it. I don't feel so good. Are you okay? I don't think so. The pain is getting worse. We warned you. Yeah, I think I overdid it.
Ethan, what's going on?
My stomach hurts really bad.
Let's get you to the nurse's office right away.
Okay.
You're gonna be okay, Ethan.
Okay.
Ethan, how are you feeling?
Not good, Dad. My stomach still hurts.
It's okay, sweetheart. The doctors are taking care of you.
Ethan ate far more food than his stomach could handle. Is that what's causing all this pain? Yes. Overeating put a lot of stress on his digestive system. He'll be fine after some medicine and rest.
Thank you, doctor.
You're welcome. Get some rest, Ethan.
I will. Thank you. Mom, I should have listened to you.
What's important is that you've learned from your mistake.
I got carried away. Because everything looks so delicious.
Everyone makes mistakes. The smart thing is to learn from them.
I promise I'll be more careful from now on. I won't overeat again.
That's what we wanted to hear.
We're proud of you for taking responsibility.
Thanks, Dad. Hey, Ethan. Feeling better? Yep, I'm doing great now. So, no more eating half the festival by yourself? Definitely not. I learned that enjoying food is fine, but eating too much isn't worth it. Sounds like you learned an important lesson. I sure did. Good health is more important than any snack. Absolutely.